Hi everyone. In today's session, let's learn a new formula called text before. So for example, you have email IDs where you just want to know the name of the customer, not the domain. Or you have same file but different versions. You want to know the file name. So how to extract the data which is before a particular delimiter. So that's the formula we are going to learn text before. Before, for example, at the rate or before V1, V2, V3, right? You want to know the name before that. Okay, so the formula is equal to text before. This is the text and delimiter here I have at the rate. And these are all optional fields again. So I'm not going to touch that for the moment. So I got ABCD. Or for example, let's see over here, text before. And delimiter I'm giving a space. So here if I see there are two spaces, which one it should take? It should take the first one. If I leave blank, it will take the first one. But I don't want the first one. I want the second one because I want to know the file name, not the version name. So in that case, I will say instance number is useful. So here I should give 2. Then it will pick the second space and give me the data before the second space. So this is the IT workings. Let's see the next option. Text is this. I'm searching for a comma, which is not there in this particular text, right? In this case, what will happen? How it behaves. So first I have to choose case sensitive or case insensitive. If you are giving any word like A, B, C, D or any name like Ravi or IT, anything, you should be careful while giving a case sensitive or case insensitive match. In this case, it's just a comma, so I'm ignoring that. And match to end. If I give match to end, how it behaves. If I don't give, how it behaves. Let's see. If I'm not giving it, it's throwing me an error because comma is not there in this, so it's not able to give any output. But if I select one, which is nothing but match to end, what does it do? It will consider this comma is available at the end of the text and gives the output which is available before that, which means the entire text itself. So it won't split the cell anywhere. It just gives the same cell as is because we are matching to the end. So similarly, you can try for here as well. Even if you have multiple spaces, it will still work. If you want to split after the third one, you can still do that. And if not found, if you want any specific output, for example, I'm giving instead of 3 by mistake, I'm giving 4. Okay. Obviously, fourth space is not there, right? In that case, how it will happen? I want an output like this. Fourth space is not available. So if it is available, it will show. If not, it will just throw an error. For example, now I am correcting it to make it 3. I'm getting the output. If it is not there, 4, 5 I give, it will say this space is not available like this. So I hope this helps. Thank you.